guys, it's Iva with Angie TX Garden. Today I'll be setting up my propagation station. So what I have here, I have the shelves, just the shelves. I have the heating pad, and then I have more heating pad here if I needed more. I have the grow lights here. I have this one. This is just to hold the. You have to attach it here. This is to hold the shelf. And then the table, I don't have the table yet, so I'm gonna be using my crafting table for now. Yes. Alright, so let's do it. So I'm gonna start with this one. Just have to screw this in. I did the rest already, so we can save time. Oh, I have to attach this. I have to attach it over here. On this one, I have to divide it by 4, so there's gonna be 14. So I'm gonna be putting this in the 14th line. So now I will be placing the grow light. So I'll be using this one to hang the grow light. So I just attach it here. So what I did, I just put this in here. And then just, you know, put it where it can anchor, like this one here. So this light, I can connect 8 lights in one plug. So this is the main one. Plug it in there, and then I connect the second one to the first one, the third one to the second one, the fourth one to the third one, like that. And then since it's you can have 8, I connected this one because there's only 4 in there, right? So I connected the other 4 here. So because this is the last one, so I connected that from there, and then this one in there, that one there, and this one there. So, and then that's it. So you have this one here, just another one. I have to plug it into the wall, and there's another set of 8 lights. Yeah. So this is how I set up my propagation shelves. Very easy to set up, quick, and most importantly cheaper compared to the one that you buy that is ready-made. So I usually put a timer so I don't have to manually turn it on and off every day. And then I set it up for mostly 16 hours for seed germination. And then I use a heat mat also because the seeds like certain temperature, and then with the heat mat you can set the temperature that you want. And then also here I can put non-hardy succulents because it's still cold here. This one here because they like lights. Yeah. So guys, if you like this video, please subscribe. There's a lot more videos coming soon. Thank you so much for watching.